Today we're making chicken and waffle popcorn. Today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken and waffles popcorn. We're going to be using 3 cups of corn, 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil, and we're also going to be using this Flavor God seasoning chicken and waffles. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil. Now that we have that butter coconut oil melted, we'll add 3 cups of corn. All right, we got our oil going, we got our popcorn going. If you check the description down below, you'll find a link to the Flavor God seasonings and their website, and there'll also be a coupon code down there where you can get 10% off. If you want to make a kettle corn popper just like this, there's a link down in the description for plans on how you can build your own. All right, we have 2.5 gallons of plain popcorn here, and now we're gonna put in a jar of chicken and waffle seasoning. All right, let's wrap that up and give it a shake. Okay, smell is pretty, it's kind of mellow, but it smells really good. Let's take a look at popcorn and the coatings that it has on there. Let's give it a try. Wow, okay. I've never had chicken and waffles before, but actually thinking about what chicken and waffles might taste like, that's exactly what it is. It's almost like a little bit of, in the background, like almost like a breading flavor. And then you have that sweetness, a little bit of the waffles. That's actually really good. Let me give that another try. Yeah, that's really good. So if you want to make this, check out the links below for the Flavor God seasoning and get popping.